I told you it was hail.
Representatives will provide detailed information and help see if you qualify. WellCare provides access to a large network.
I told you.
Plus, some plans may include.
We're in big trouble now, little Ginger.
WellCare is contracted with Medicare to provide plans.
I told you it was hail.
Ginger.
But you wouldn't listen to me.
Shut the door.
Why? Huh?
The cow.